is an airplane. Those are ailerons. Those are flaps. Those are stabilizers. That's okay? And if you see the airplane from the side, this is the rudder, no? That's clear? Okay, suppose that I am the airplane. This is for you, that's Spanish. This is the airplane. I am flying. And I want to move the airplane like this. What surface I need move it?
The right.
This aileron down. The air touch over there and the airplane goes down. That's okay? I want to move the airplane like this. What surface I move? The other aileron. Here. That's okay? How I move it, the ailerons inside? I am the captain. When I move the wheel like this or like this. That's okay? Like this one goes down. Like this one goes down. Ready? That's clear, my friends? It's with the ailerons. For the ailerons, and the movement of the ailerons are independent. This aileron is independent of this. When this one goes down, this one is not moving. Ready? Okay, ailerons. I want to move the airplane up. The nose up. What surface I move it? The stabilizer. Pay attention. When the stabilizer goes down like this, what happened? The air touch over there, and what happened with the nose? Goes down. When the stabilizer goes down, the nose, the tail goes up and the nose down. That's clear? I want to move the stabilizer like this. What happened? The tail goes down and the nose up. How I move those stabilizers inside of the boat? Okay. Now I want to, this is the airplane, I want to change the direction over there. Or over there. What element I move it? The rudder. No? Look, if the rudder is like this, what happened? The air touch here, and what happened with the nose? Goes over there. No? If the rudder is like this, the air and the nose goes over there. That's clear? How I move the rudder internally? With the pedals. With the pedals. The pedals. Ready? I am moving the airplane on the ground. On the ground. To stop the airplane, I use calipers with pads, exactly like your car. Exactly. Caliper with pads in the wheels, in the front wheels. Ready? How I activate those calipers? How I apply the brakes? The pedals on top. On top. The pedals move like this to move the aileron. And on top, they have a movement like this for the brakes. Good? Alright, this is in your airplane. In your boat, you have those elements, the twin tabs. Where are located?
On the transom.
No? In the transom. What is the function? This is the boat. I want to lift the boat like this. Yeah? Or go down to stabilize the boat in this direction. Also, because they are independent, you can move this or this independent. You can move, you can help to stabilize the boat. This is the same function that the stabilizers in your airplane. Those stabilizers. Ready? Or twin tabs. In some boats, additionally, they have here a couple of things to help to stabilize in this movement, the rolling. Yeah? Before the invention of the gyros was those things. the lateral hydraulic stabilizer. I'm going to talk later about that. All of those elements are hydraulics. Good? Pay attention. I have the motor, the electric motor, DC motor. I mentioned that in this design, the pump push oil and pull oil. No? It's because the motor is reversible motor. Clockwise and counterclock. Clockwise and counterclock. With yellow and blue. Okay. And I have one port of the charge for this actuator, the twin tap of port side, and other line for starboard side. That's okay? When the motor is spinning clockwise, it's pushing fluid. If this solenoid open, I push fluid in this actuator. If this solenoid is closed, no fluid enter in this actuator. No, I want to retract the actuator. Okay, I am going to turn the motor in the other direction and open the solenoid to pull the oil. In the other actuator, I want to extend the actuator. Clockwise and solenoid open. Anybody follow me? No, I want to retract the actuator. Counterclock and solenoid open. Okay. In this design, what is the function of the solenoids?
Regulate the flow.
Allow that the flow goes out or return. Allow the flow of fluid. Doesn't matter if it's out or in. That's okay? And what is the function of the motor, clockwise or counterclock? Push or pull. Good? And this is the reservoir. Bingo, finito.